Okay, pretty soon you're going to start seeing these little things coming home. These are called fact triangles. They're a little bit different than your traditional flashcard, but that's basically what they are. They're a flashcard, and this fact triangle that you're looking at deals with addition and subtraction. Later in the year, you're going to see fact triangles that have to do with multiplication and division. So let me show you how these work so you can easily do them with your student in case they have a hard time explaining it to you. This number up here, the 16 in this case with the dot, that number is going to be the sum of an addition problem. Right? So this will be the sum. Right? So the way this works is if you want to just practice addition, what you do is when you grab each card, you cover up the sum and then you say 9 plus 7 equals 16. Right? That's how it works. And I really want to encourage the kids to say what they're thinking. So they would say 9 plus 7 equals 16. And what we also work on is we put together what's called fact families. And for addition, the fact family would be 9 plus 7 equals 16, and 7 plus 9 equals 16. Okay? So that's what it is for addition. Now, there's also subtraction problems on this. If you were to pick up this card and say, cover up this, all right, this number here, well, for subtraction, you always want to subtract the smaller number from the larger number, so you would start with the 16 and say minus 7. So again, let's make them say it out loud and say 16 minus 7 equals 9. Okay, see how that works? And then the other problem in this particular fact family for subtraction, you would cover that one up and you would say 16 minus 9, write that down, 16 minus 9 equals 7. Okay? So the entire fact family for this whole fact triangle are these four facts. 9 plus 7 equals 16, 7 plus 9 equals, 9 plus 7 equals 16, 7 plus 9 equals 16, 16 minus 7 equals 9, 16 minus 9 equals 7. Okay, so if you want to just practice addition, you're always going to be covering up the number with the dot. That is the sum. If you want to just practice subtraction, you're always going to be covering up a number that does not have a dot. If they get really good, it doesn't matter. Just pick up each triangle by a corner, and they should say, that's subtraction, 16 minus 9. That's addition, subtraction. Just keep picking it up by different corners, and they should get pretty good at it after a while. So it's a new twist on the old flashcard, but they seem to work pretty well. And you really want to, another thing I encourage the kids to do is to put them into separate piles. Your okay pile, those are the ones you get right away, and then your try again pile, those ones you got to think a little bit, and that way ideally your try again pile gets smaller and smaller. So that's a quick explanation, or maybe it's kind of a long explanation of fact triangles, but I thought I would explain those to you. All right, thank you very much.